We are going to end the last of the items from the what's it called again? Loaded for Fun assortment pack, and start the mini fireworks month with this. The 1-inch Magnum artillery shell from Boomer. Again, it's from the Loaded for Fun assortment pack. It's a 6-piece mini artillery shell set. Here's the some of the effects. There's all 6. It looks like one of them. I don't know. I don't know if it's actually in a real artillery shell set or maybe also a mine, but we'll find out when we try it out. Anyways, here's the cover again from Boomer. Let's go see what looks inside. Oh, it's a little crushed here, but here's a green, just green and black ball shells. They're plastic. And let me see here. It says yellow on it. Let me see if the other one says anything else. Red. That's interesting. Blue. All right, be interesting shooting these off. Let me see. As I expected, this cardboard tube. Okay, let's go outside and try this out. Okay, we're gonna shoot the 1-inch artillery shells from the Loaded for Fun assortment pack. Okay, let's go get started. First, we're gonna do the green ball, and then the one of the black balls. Okay, that's more of a mine. Let's go try the black ball now. Just wait for Ashton to load the tube. That was more of a mine effect. Well, that one, they said it has 6 different effects, so let's go give this other one a try. Not bad. Actually, these are good for, people with small backyards or whatnot. But yeah, this is definitely worth the $12, which you get for. Anyways, you guys have a great evening. Again, I highly recommend the Load for Fun assortment pack. Catch you guys later.